Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I'm going shopping for a new iPhone. I'm going to start at Target and show you what they have. The first one they have is the iPhone 11. This one is in black. And I finally learned how to open it up without a home button. So it looks really sleek and fun and cool, and I like the size. The size of the screen is the same size of my entire iPhone 8 Plus phone, but the whole screen is filled up. So the screen size is the same as the iPhone 8 Plus. It's just that you don't have the extra space, so it's smaller than the iPhone 8 Plus, but the screen is the same size. Next is the iPhone 11 Pro. This is smaller than the iPhone 11, and I really like it. I like that it's so sleek. I love having a home button right now, but I think I could get used to not having a home button. But it's super pretty and vibrant. So that's the 11. This is the 11 Pro, and this is the 11 Pro Max. So it's the biggest one. And this is actually has a bigger screen than the iPhone 8 Plus, because it is the same size as the iPhone 8 Plus, but the screen takes up the whole phone. So this one's really cool too. I just don't like the colors it comes in. It doesn't have any of the pretty colors like the iPhone 11. But I do think the camera is cool on that one. So I also noticed that they had some Apple Watches up here, but I don't think that it's the latest Apple Watch, but it might be. But it's super cool too. And then I went online because I wanted to show you all the colors the iPhone 11 comes in. And I'm leaning more towards the iPhone 11 rather than the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone Pro Max. So I want to share which colors I think are the prettiest. I really like the purple. It looks more like a lilac to me. And the green seems more like a mint green. And I've heard sometimes it even looks blue. So my favorite colors are the purple and the white. So I don't know which one I'll end up getting, but I'll be sure to show you. And then I found iPhone 11 cases at Five Below, so I'm going to share that with you.